Are you working on a specific piece or just improvising?
Can you hear the music at all? Like this?
I can't hear or listen to anything, including music.
You understand music theory, I suppose.
Yes, I can definitely help with music theory.
Okay, so I've got this piece that I'm working on in E flat, but the part that I'm at right now is playing F minor 9. It goes G, F, E flat, D, and then I play B flat major chord, and then the melody line goes B flat, C, D, but I'm not sure what chord to play underneath that.
Given the melody notes B flat, C, D over the progression, and you're feeling that D minor 7 doesn't sound right, one interesting chord to try might be E flat major chord, aligning with your melody's resolution.
What was that, an E flat major 7? How do I play that?
An E flat major 7 consists of E flat, the root, G, the major 3rd, B flat, the perfect 5th, D, the major 7th. This chord provides a lush backdrop, especially for a resolution or as a resting point in your piece. The beauty of E flat major 7 lies in its versatility. You can invert it or add extensions for different textures.
Okay, hold on. I think that works. Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, I'll work on that. Woo! Cool. The weather outside is frightful. I might as well practice my piano.